This video is about unspecialized and specialized cells. Look at your body right now. You've got blood cells, nerve cells, white blood cells, and so on. They all look completely different. But here's the strange part. They all originally came from the same type of cell. So how does one basic cell turn into so many different types? That's what we're going to break down. Let's start simply to begin with. An unspecialized cell is a cell that doesn't yet have a specific job. It's kind of like a starter cell. You might also hear them called stem cells. There are different types of stem cells. Embryonic stem cells, found in early embryos, can develop into almost any type of cell in the body. Adult stem cells, found in places like bone marrow, are more limited and can only develop into certain cell types, helping to repair and replace damaged tissue. But regardless of the type of stem cell, they all start out the same way. They haven't specialized yet. Currently, it's not a nerve cell, it's not a muscle cell, and the important thing is, it still has the potential to become different types of cells, depending on what the body needs. Before a cell can become specialized, it first needs to multiply. It all begins with a zygote, a single cell formed when a sperm cell fertilizes an egg cell. This singular cell divides by mitosis, producing two identical cells. Those two divide again to make 4, and then 4 becomes 8, and this process continues, eventually producing the trillions of cells that make up your body. At this stage, these cells are still unspecialized. They all contain the same DNA and have the potential to develop into different types of cells. So what causes one cell to become a nerve cell, while another becomes a muscle cell? This process is called differentiation. During differentiation, different genes are switched on and off. Think of your DNA as a huge instruction manual. Every cell owns the exact same manual, but not every cell reads every page. A muscle cell reads the instructions needed to build muscle fibers. A nerve cell reads the instructions needed to transmit electrical impulses, and a red blood cell reads the instructions needed to transport oxygen. Because different genes are active in different cells, they develop different structures and perform different functions. Now let's look at what that produces. Once a cell becomes specialized, it is designed for a specific job, and its structure matches that job perfectly. Take red blood cells. Their job is to carry oxygen, so they're shaped to do that efficiently. They have a biconcave shape, which increases their surface area. They don't have a nucleus, so there's more space for hemoglobin. That makes them really efficient oxygen carriers. Let's look at the nerve cell. Its job is to carry electrical impulses around the body. It has a long axon, allowing impulses to travel over long distances. The axon is covered by a myelin sheath, which speeds up the transmission of electrical impulses. Together, these adaptations allow the body to communicate quickly and efficiently. Finally, let's look at the root hair cell. Its job is to absorb water and mineral ions from the soil. It has a long hair-like extension, giving it a large surface area for absorbing water and mineral ions. It also contains many mitochondria, providing the energy needed for the active transport of mineral ions. Together, these adaptations allow the plant to absorb the water and minerals it needs to grow. So let's tie it together. You start with unspecialized cells, basic cells with no specific role. Through differentiation, they develop into specialized cells, and each specialized cell is shaped perfectly for its job.